Hello, this is Seth at Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Nissan Micra. Under the hood we have a 1.6 liter i4 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in kind of a bluey silver color. I do really like it. You got the Nissan badging up front here with your halogen headlights right there. Coming around the side we do have our 15-inch rims with Firestone brand tires. They look great. You do also have your mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle you do have your Pure Drive badging as well as the Nissan and the Micra. Now to open up, we just gotta pull this. You got quite a bit of room back here as well. It looks great, very soft. You can also lift this up here. And you do have your jack and whatnot just underneath there if you did ever need it. Okay, we got our key right here, but it is unlocked, so let's take a look on the inside here. So you do have manual windows on this guy right here. You do have a bit of chrome accenting, handle here, and some storage down here with a place for a water bottle. Looks very nice in here. I do really like the seats. They are very comfortable and soft. You do also have the controls over your lights right here, so you have your off, your daytime running lights and your low beams, as well as your high beams and your turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as right in the center you can see our fuel gauge. We can also see our odometer, which is 59,000. You can also switch it around a bit to your trip A and B. You also have your liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters, you have your distance till empty, and your back to your odometer right there, control from right here. Then on the steering wheel you have your cruise control options, and right there we do have our windshield wiper options. In the center we do have our radio, so we have our CD player up here. You have your seat and your track, as well as your display and those guys. Then you have your volume up and down with the power, your presets right down here, FM, AM, your CD, your aux cord plug-in right there, and then you do have your browser right there. Then down here in the climate control we do have a defrost, we have the power up and down, the AC, you have where it's going to blow out of, and the heat and cold. You got your cup holders right there, and your gear shift right here. Parking brake right here, some storage and a plug-in as well. And then right over here we do have our glove box right there. Up top you do got some lights as well. Let's take a look at the back here, open this guy up. On the door you have the same manual windows, you have your handle, another little handle there. Looks nice back here as well, very soft, same material as the front. And there's our 1.8 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Nissan Micra. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.